Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the lead code problem number 83, remove duplicates from sorted list. So before we are going to start guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and show us some support. So with that said, let's start our problem solving. So in the description they have given that the head of a sorted linked list. So guys, this sorted word is a very important keyword in this problem, and we have to keep in mind that. And what we have to do is we have to delete all duplicates in this linked list such that each element only appears once. So, and at the end we have to return this link list. So that's the problem guys, and I'm going to explain this with the example. And here I'm getting the example that they have given in the description as well. So in this linked list we have 1 1 2, then we have 3, and again we have 3. So we are going to start with the first node, and we check its value, and then we check the next node and check its value as well, and we check whether the values are equal. In this case you can see that the values are equal, and that means we have duplicates, so we have to update the linked list, and we are going to do that as below. So again we have one we have 1, and then we have 2 3 3, and here the link is drawn from 1 to 2, and the second one is neglected because we have already there's already a node with value 1, and we again check the value of the first node and the next node. So here we can see the values are equal. In that case it's okay, we can keep that link. So we are keeping that link, and we are moving to the next node. So it's like now the linking is like this, and we are moving to the next node. So next node is 2 and 3. I mean next node is 2, we are taking 2. We take its value and check the next node, that is 3, and check its value. So here also we can see values are not equal, so that means we can keep that link. So now we are going to move to the we are going to move forward. So now the linked list is like this. We have first link like this, and second link, third link, and we previously checked the node 2, and now we are going to check node 3. Here we check its value and check the next node of it and check the value, and here also here we can see that the values are same. In that case we have to update the linked list, and we are going to update it like this. So previously we updated this link, and we have a link between 2 and 3, and from 3 we have to skip the link to second 3, and we are moving forward, but the linked list is over, so that means we are pointing to a null. So this is the updated list. So, and I think the algorithm I explained, you understood it. So now we can code it in the editor itself. So if we are going to code that algorithm, we have to define a current node, and at the beginning we are setting it for the head. So head is given as an input for this method, so we can use that. And we are going to add a while loop. So we check whether current node is not null, that means there is a current node, and we check whether the next node of the current node is also not null, that means because we are going to access its value. So we check whether the current node's value equals to the next node of the current node's value. So if those are equal, then we have to update the link. So that means next node of the current node should be the next node. I think you understood in the explanation I showed you earlier. So that way we update the link if the values are equal. If not, that means we can keep this link and we have to move forward. So that means moving forward means updating the current node. So we update the current node by current dot next, and at the end what we have written is the same head node because now we have the updated link list. So I think you understood the code as well. Let's run this, and yeah, we have compilation error because I have missed this semicolon. And again, let's run this, and in this time we have passed both test cases, and let's submit as well. So you can see it got accepted. So I think the explanation and the coding part is clear to you. So if you watch till this point and you enjoy the video, please guys consider to like this video, and also you can share this among your friends if they are uh, interested in solving Leetcode problems. And guys, I'm all so intend to publish more videos on solving Leetcode problems as well. So you can keep my channel subscribed if you like this kind of videos. So that's it for this video, guys. See you guys in a next Leetcode problem solving video. Thank you guys. Bye.